Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use delete adapter service in web methods. Before selecting the delete adapter service, I want table in MySQL database. In MySQL, I have already a insert one table. This is my insert one table. I want to create new table also, but I have already table, so that's why I am selected this table. Here is in this table we have ID and name 1 2 3 5. This is the IDs and names. Okay, I have table in my database. Now I am going to my designer. In this designer I want to call my database by using the delete adapter service, deleting the data. Adapter service delete adapter. Next, my adapter type is web method adapter for JDBC. Adapter connection as MySQL connections. Here my template is delete SQL because of I want to delete the data from the table by using the ID. Okay, here in table tab, click on this row. There is 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots. My table is web methods. Here is my folder is web methods. I selected my web methods folder. This folder, my table name is insert one. Select that one. I selected. Here where tab, click on that where. Here insert the row. I want to delete the table by using the ID, so here I selected the ID only. Result, result is result is result. In this input output field, click on right click here, run server. This is my service flow service. Okay, it's my ID. 122. Okay, I want to delete fifth row. Okay, by using ID, so enter ID, name automatically deleted from the table. Here ID is 5, delete. Okay, delete adapter is 5, adapter output is 1. Okay, one output is executed. Now we are going to check the my table, database table. Yeah, table is deleted, row is deleted from the table. Want to delete another table, you can run here also. My adapter, delete adapter. Click on this delete adapter, right click here. There is run service. I want to delete to fourth row also, third row ID. Okay, here 3. Okay, this result is 1. Now checking my table. Okay, data is deleted, row is deleted from this table. This is adapter service in web methods.